In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split and cut video in Clipchamp. Whether you're editing a short clip or a longer project, Clipchamp provides an approachable and intuitive platform to get the job done. Let's start by accessing the platform. You have two options. You can navigate to clipchamp.com directly in your browser or locate the Clipchamp app if you have it installed on your Windows device. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you're already a Microsoft user, this part is seamless. Simply click on Sign In, then opt for Continue with Microsoft. Select your Microsoft account from the list or enter your credentials if prompted. Once signed in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage. It's here that the magic begins. Find the Create a New Video button and give it a click. You're now in the editing interface, where you can manage all your video projects. To get started, you'll want to import the media you'll be working with. Locate and click on the Import Media button. From here you can either navigate through your files to find the media you wish to use, or simply drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom. With your video on the timeline, you can start trimming. Slide the trim handles to the section you'd like to focus on. Clipchamp makes this really easy through their intuitive design. You can grab the handles on either side of your video clip on the timeline and adjust them to the specific start and end points you want. As you slide these handles, you'll notice the video preview updates in real time, giving you a clear view of your selections. Once you've isolated the desired section of your video, hover over the selected frame and locate the scissors icon. Clicking this will split your video at the selected point. This step is crucial for precisely cutting your videos into manageable segments. If there are parts of your video that you don't need, this tool will help you easily cut them out. Now, with your video split, you might have segments you want to remove. For unwanted segments, select the clip and simply hit delete. Doing this removes the unnecessary parts from your editing timeline. After deleting, you might notice gaps between your clips. To make your video flow seamlessly, click on the space and select delete this gap. This automatically shifts the clips to remove the empty space, giving you a continuous video sequence. And there you have it, your video is split, trimmed and neatly edited. Clipchamp not only offers a straightforward process, but also reinforces a seamless experience with its user-friendly interface. Remember, mastering video editing is all about practice, so feel free to experiment